Welcome to an exploration of high-end exterior design, where architecture and nature meet to create a breathtaking first impression. When we talk about ultimate curb appeal, we are truly talking about the seamless integration of hardscaping and lush, vibrant botany. A meticulously landscaped front yard does more than just look pretty. It establishes a sense of profound garden comfort and welcoming permanence. Today, we are going to walk through the design philosophy behind a breathtaking front yard layout. We will dissect the material choices, the clever At the heart of this design philosophy is the classic red brick home. Brick is an incredibly enduring material. It carries an innate sense of history, warmth, and structural integrity. When designing a landscape around a red brick facade, the goal is to echo that architectural strength without letting it visually overwhelm the space. The brilliant strategy here is mirroring the home's masonry within the garden beds. By using brick as the primary hardscaping material throughout the yard, the entire property feels unified. The house doesn't just sit on the land, it feels as though it extends naturally into the earth. It is a masterclass in utilizing continuous materials to create a harmonious, deeply comforting visual flow. A straight path to a front door is functional, but a winding walkway invites a journey. The focal point of a stunning curb appeal design is often how the pathway gently guides the eye and the feet through the space. Imagine a path paved with rectangular bricks in a beautiful mix of earthy tones, terracotta red, burnt orange, tan, and dark gray. These warm colors immediately ground the design, but true luxury lies in the details of the transition. As the path curves organically toward the home, the paving material seamlessly shifts into a lighter, fan-shaped cobblestone pattern. This transition serves a brilliant design purpose. The darker, mixed bricks absorb the bright sunlight in the foreground, while the lighter cobblestone near the house reflects light, drawing your gaze directly toward the entryway. It is subtle, sophisticated, and highly effective. The unsung hero of a meticulous landscape is the edging. To elevate a garden bed from basic to extraordinary, you must create a sharp, distinct boundary between the wildness of the plants and the order of the lawn and pathways. A prominent, raised brick edge achieves exactly this. By constructing a border from uniform red bricks that match the house, the beds take on a structural presence. Utilizing a vertical soldier course base capped with a horizontal layer of bricks creates a sturdy, tiered retaining wall effect. As this raised edging curves organically along the winding path, it holds back the soil while creating dynamic shadow lines in the bright sun. Behind those sturdy brick borders lies the canvas of the garden itself, the dark, rich soil. The contrast between the heavy red masonry, the dark earth, and a flawlessly manicured bright green lawn is the cornerstone of high-contrast landscaping. Whether you are planting mature shrubs or gently awakening seedlings in the early spring, the quality of the soil and the depth of the bed matter immensely. Raised beds provide superior drainage and allow you to cultivate a deeply fertile environment. When a garden bed hugs the brick facade of a home, packing it with dark, nutrient-dense soil ensures that the foundational plantings have the strength they need to thrive and provide that ultimate sense of lush garden comfort. A truly breathtaking garden relies heavily on its year-round structure. Without evergreen elements, a landscape can look barren for half the year. Therefore, structural planting is key to maintaining ultimate curb appeal. To frame the dark windows of a classic brick home, tall, conical evergreens are placed with precision, adding necessary verticality and drawing the eye up to the roofline. To contrast these tall cones, perfectly spherical green shrubs, like manicured boxwoods, are clustered near the base. This interplay of geometric topiary, tall cones, and perfect spheres provides a quiet, orderly backdrop that allows the wilder, more colorful flowers to take center stage. With the hardscaping and evergreen structure in place, the garden is ready for an explosion of color. Against the classic red brick, warm, highly saturated floral tones create a spectacular visual impact. In the curving foreground beds, imagine bright magenta, and vivid yellow flowers mixed with spiky green architectural plants for textural contrast. As the beds move closer to the house, the tapestry thickens with deep red blossoms that echo the brickwork, alongside soft pink roses that provide a touch of delicate elegance. Beneath them, low-lying purple and white ground cover spreads across the dark soil, ensuring that no space is wasted. This tight, dense clustering of vibrant blooms creates a sense of abundant, overflowing life. Finally, a meticulously designed yard must be beautifully framed. The background elements are just as critical as the foreground path. In the distance, a solid brown wooden privacy fence provides a warm, neutral backdrop that encloses the space, enhancing that feeling of a private, comfortable garden retreat. Softly framing this fence are mature trees, including a striking purple flowering tree and large, established evergreens. These towering natural elements provide shade, scale, and a sense of permanence, ensuring the house looks like it belongs to the landscape rather than dominating it. Achieving stunning curb appeal is about balancing the permanence of red brick and cobblestone with the ephemeral beauty of vibrant, blooming flowers. By utilizing winding pathways, tiered raised edging, and a thoughtful mix of structural evergreens and colorful flora, you can create an exterior that is both deeply architectural and wildly inviting. It is an investment in beauty, order, and ultimate garden comfort. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of landscape design, and may your own outdoor spaces be filled with inspiration and vibrant color.